guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chayla for those of you who are new, and for today's video I am filming a current favorites video. I love watching these videos. I love seeing what other people have and me buying it because I like being peer pressured into buying things. So that is what I'm going to be filming because I've been obsessed with a few products and I really want to share that with you and I don't know, maybe add to your collection. It sounds like a good idea. So yeah, that is the video I'm going to be filming for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Also like and comment this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before this video even gets started, comment down below, what are you currently obsessed with at the moment? I would really like to know. Give me some ideas of something else I can buy, as if I really need something else. But yeah, comment down below, what are you currently obsessed with right now? Okay, so I'm going to start with this food item mainly because it's cold and I need to hurry up and put it back in the freezer. So the first thing that I've been obsessed with is this ice cream. So it's just from Ben & Jerry's and it's their chocolate chip cookie dough chunks snackable dough. Wow, that is a very long title. But I am obsessed with this ice cream. So I've never really been an ice cream person. I like vanilla. Like literally, I'm so basic. I only like vanilla or like cookies and cream ice cream and cookie dough. Okay, I like 3 things. But this Ben & Jerry cookie dough chunks, it is so good. I swear by it. And if you guys don't want to believe me, literally a month after I've been eating this and talking about it, I already saw James Charles post about it. So if you guys don't want to believe me that it's really good, believe him because he's like the sister of all sisters. I also saw they had a vegan one, which I mean, if you're vegan, go for it. And they had one other flavor. I think it was like brownie or something. Okay, so the next few items is just some makeup and beauty products. Literally, I love makeup and I really wanted to talk about it. And these 4 items, these 4 items I'm actually wearing today as I wear every single day. That literally just shows how much I've been obsessed with these items. So the first item that I have is just this foundation, and it is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and this is in the shade 03 Light Beige. I have tried so many foundations. If you have been a loyal subscriber and you've been subscribed since the very beginning, I used to film a lot of makeup videos. Low-key, I'm thinking about bringing it back. So if you guys want some makeup tutorials and just like things about makeup, let me know because I loved filming those videos and I literally have so much makeup. But I've tried so many foundations. I had some favorites, some not favorites, and I've had this foundation for I want to say about like 2-3 months now. I know I filmed a video talking about it when I tried it out, but I've literally been loving this foundation. It is so good. I still put concealer on even though it's called Conceal and Perfect. I still put concealer on, but when I tell you this foundation hides a lot of blemishes, it's so full coverage, it's buildable. I swear by it. This is a really good foundation. I do highly recommend you trying it out and letting me know if you guys also think it's good. I have dry skin and I think it works very well. Okay, and the next 2 items is just these bronzers. I love bronzers and I've had these bronzers for literally forever, not even being dramatic. But this bronzer is just from NYX and it's their matte bronzer in the shade medium. I use this to contour my face. I love it. So it's just this darker color bronzer. So yeah, I have it on right now. I literally only put it on the cheekbones. I don't even do it on my temples. That's just like my preference, but I love this bronzer. It is so good. And then I just have this other bronzer from Wet n Wild, and it is in the shade Sunset Striptease. And so I use this to really like bronze and like warmth my face. So yeah, I use one just for contouring. Since this shade is very dark, I will only use the NYX one just to contour, and then I'll use this one to just like actually bronze the crap out of my face because I literally put bronzer almost everywhere. Another makeup favorite is from the brand Profusion. I actually do not see many creators talking about Profusion makeup. Honestly, I don't know why. They are a drugstore. I honestly can only find them at Walmart and Target. I don't think they sell them at like Walgreens and stuff like that. I might be wrong. don't quote me, but I don't see many influencers and beauty gurus talking about Perfusion Cosmetics. I personally am obsessed with them. They have such good makeup for such an affordable price, and one palette that I've been obsessed with, wearing it every single day to work, is just their Perfusion Chocolates palette. I think these shades are phenomenal. You guys can probably already even tell the colors that I use every day. People sleep on Perfusion for whatever reason. I'm still trying to figure out why, but they're a game changer, and it has affordable makeup. I want to say this palette was probably around $15, I think. Don't quote me. It might have been like 12 to 15, somewhere around there. But this palette is so good. I love it so much. I can do so many like neutral looks, but also have like some pop and some glitter. Like, I kid you not, this is a bomb palette, and people definitely need to try it out. Okay, the next item is this mini tripod. I just got this tripod about a month ago, and homegirl loves it. I know a lot of influencers also have this tripod. Low-key cannot even say the name of it, so I will have the name right here because I can't even say it. It also came in white. I got the black one. Oh wait, the name is right here. It's a Manfrotto. The only thing that I don't like is that it only stops right here. Like it won't, like it doesn't like flatten out all the way. That's the only downside, but other than that, I really do love it. The tripod that I was using for vlogs was a knockoff Gorilla tripod, and I actually really liked that tripod, but sometimes it wasn't as sturdy as I wanted it to be, and sometimes it would just like slip off like the edge. So that's the only downfall that I had with that one, but it was still a really good tripod. And I actually got this tripod during like Black Friday sale or Cyber Monday sale, some type of sale. I got this tripod, and I got it for only like $15 when it was originally like 20 something. So homegirl got a deal. If you are into YouTube or like new and like want to get all the equipment, this is something that I definitely recommend getting because it is very good. And yeah. The next item, I actually found this from Alicia Marie like 2 years ago when she did one of her Vlogmas kits, but I don't even know what this is even called, like a adapter something. So basically you put your memory card in it in like this little slot, and then you can plug it up to your phone, and then you can export your pictures or videos or whatever you have on your memory card onto your phone. I used this religiously for the past 2 years before I got a MacBook. So if you guys did not see that video, I did get a new MacBook, also one of my favorites. I love it, and I have a video, so go watch that video. But before I got a MacBook, I was actually editing all my videos on my iPad. I used iMovie and some other apps to edit my videos, but the way that I was able to get the videos on my iPad was I had this device. Plug in the SD card, plug into my MacBook, plug into my iPad, and I had all the footage. This was the best invention and the best thing that Alicia Marie could have posted about, because I had no idea this existed. I was using the Wi-Fi Bluetooth to like airdrop the footage, but I also could just use this, and I didn't even need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So I really do like this. I got this from Best Buy, but you can also get it on Amazon. Low-key, I saw it at Target after I already had it. But yeah, there's so many different places you can buy this, and honestly, this is a game changer. Okay, so the next item that I have is my Fitbit. As you guys know, I do not have an Apple Watch, honestly, because I don't want one. I've never really been on that like bandwagon. I never wanted an Apple Watch. Literally all my friends have one. Everyone says that it's life-changing. I personally just never been a fan of having Apple Watches. I do have a Fitbit. I got this Fitbit right before I started working, like a few days before I started working. I'm obsessed with this Fitbit. It is just the rose gold pink one. I want to say it's the first two. It does everything, honestly, that an Apple Watch does, almost. Not really, kind of not. You can text on it if you have an Android device. I obviously don't have one, so I can't do that, but it's fine. I really only wear it to work and if I work out. So it just has like the time and then how many calories you burned, how many steps you walked, your heart rate. Also, it is connected to my phone, so I can also use my phone in the app to basically see everything, like how I performed sleeping and my exercise, how my heart rate is, if I'm healthy, if I'm not. It honestly gives me a lot of information that I really didn't want to know. Like, I didn't want to know, like, how healthy my heart is, because it turns out I apparently have a terrible heart. Who would have thought? But I really do like this, and don't like just jump on the Apple train with everything. I mean, I love Apple, but I'm not just gonna have Apple everything. I don't know. But yeah. The next item, which I can't really show you guys because it is hooked up, but it is my coffee maker. If you guys did not see my recent most performed video as of right now, like current video, is my unboxing my new coffee maker. I love my coffee maker so much. I got the Mr. Coffee iced coffee maker. It is so good. I've finally been able to perfect the coffee that I like. It is pretty similar to Starbucks, not quite, but it is very good. And I am thinking about filming like a whole video on how I make my iced coffee and what syrups I use, what creamer I use, what coffee I use, because I don't use the same thing that I did in the original unboxing in the video that I made. I don't make my coffee that way, but I've been so happy with it, like switching out the different creamers and everything, figuring out what I exactly like, and I literally get so excited to make coffee. And I've never been a coffee drinker, but homegirl kind of turned into a coffee drinker. Not even gonna lie. Like, if I say so myself, I make a bomb coffee. I'm literally Starbucks. What? I'm a barista over here in the Perry household. I'm an actual barista, and it's fun for me. So my next thing that I am obsessed with is my Alexa. My whole family has an Alexa, like literally in almost every room now, and it's my own personal best friend when Siri is not available. So, hey Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:52 p.m.
We love a friend. Okay, so that is the end for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Also, like and comment what you guys think. Also, comment down below, what are you currently obsessed with? Because I really want to know, what are you guys into right now? Me, it's my coffee maker. I'm literally living for my coffee maker. So, what are you guys interested in, and what have y'all been raging over lately? Comment that down below, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye, guys.